Hi, this is Michael Schmela, Managing Director of TaiyangNews. Greetings from Solar Technology Conference 2026, taking place in Delhi. And I'm here with Mahesh Murthy, CTO of Waaree, talking about the event. Welcome, Mahesh.
Thank you, Michael, for the opportunity, and thanks so much for giving Waaree an opportunity to speak. It was a little bit last minute, but I enjoyed it to be part of the event. I think the 2 days was, to me, a great learning experience. Day one was all about the big picture. Where is India today? What's happening? Where are the gaps? And then we talked about all this cost reduction which is happening in the industry and how we should not compromise quality. And today was all about technology, cell technology, and then a lot of good things about upstream, where India is yet to embark on that journey. So overall, for me, being new to the solar industry, this was a great investment to learn everything in 2 days and then take away and move on and hopefully apply my knowledge as I go back to work.
Thank you. Maybe just to go a bit deeper. So I think Waaree is a true pioneer and a leader in the industrialization of the Indian solar sector, which has been growing tremendously over the last few years. So what's your key takeaways, and what do you think is needed most from Waaree's view?
Yeah, I think I like to say that Waaree has been very bold, and the company dreams big, and it's all about execution. We take the risks. We believe in solar. We think India has to be a leader, so we've been making a lot of big moves lately. However, I think what we have to do is continue to bring new technology, at least from my end, think about differentiation. How do we improve? How do we catch up with the global leaders, and how do we leapfrog, right, in the future? So I think those are the areas that we'll have to do more, and I hope that will happen in the coming years. Yeah. Thank you.
Wonderful. Thanks so much for joining.
Well, thank you so much for the invitation, and look forward to continuing, looking at what TaiyangNews is doing and learning from it.
Thank you so much. Wonderful.
Thank you.